Hey, Emily from WTI here. This little device that I'm holding in the palm of my hand, it's a thermal printer. I run a small business from my home and I'm constantly needing to ship things, including samples and gifts and other products. I have wasted so much of my life in line at the post office, but no more. This thermal printer is the perfect tool to print shipping labels from your home. It's so quick and easy. You can access this printer via Wi-Fi, or you can use the cord that comes with a variety of adapters to attach it to your computer manually. It comes with a starter set of these 4x6 printing labels, and you can easily print shipping labels from any of the shipping websites from home. But it's not just limited to shipping labels. You can print other text and wording. Basically, you're making a sticker out of anything that you want to print super easily. I consider myself to be a technically proficient person, but I'm not overly tech savvy. I found that loading the driver for this printer on my computer was as easy as following the instructions and plugging in the jump drive that had the drivers on it. It was not overly complicated. If I can figure it out in a matter of minutes, so can you. You can even print from your phone. If you need the flexibility of being able to print labels from home of any type, but you don't have a lot of space for a full-size printer, and you don't want to have a lot of different kinds of paper, this is the perfect thermal printer for you. It's simple, it's effective, it's transformed my business. I think you're going to love it too, but that's my point of view.